Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to edit a job post on Upwork. So this is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you've already posted your job post on Upwork. How do you actually go ahead and edit that job post? So either way, guys, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but the first thing that you're going to do is go to Hire Talent and then click on Job Posts and Proposals. Now on this page here, you're going to see all your active job listings. So here you can see I have one over here and I have one over here. Now the way to actually edit a job post is that you click on these three dots and then you click on Edit Posting. So once you click on Edit Posting, on this page here, you can edit the title, you can edit the description, you could also edit the category, the skills, the scope, the location, the budget, the screening questions as well. All of these can be edited and then reposted. So once you finish editing your job post, you can just click on Save Job Post and there you have it. Your job post has now been saved and updated. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and edit a job post. But if you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.